Yes, this is a summary of the topic of drug distribution. One of the basic services provided by hospital pharmacy department is drug distribution system. We have seen how the drug distribution goes in the hospital, whether to the inpatient or outpatient. And these are the basic services which is provided by the hospital pharmacist department. We have seen the ward control system, the pharmacy controlled impressed base system, the pharmacy controlled patient issue system. We have seen the both inpatient and outpatient category here, describing what are inpatients and outpatients. The patients who get admitted for the critical illness stay there for hospitals and until they become well, and then they are discharged. They are told to be as inpatients. Outpatients are those they don't get admitted to the hospitals. They come to the hospital, majority are from the primary care, and they meet specific consultants and then they take the medications and they just go. They are not admitting directly to the hospitals. They are called to be as outpatient services, outpatient department. We have seen outpatient refers to the patients not occupying beds in hospitals. They don't occupy the beds in the hospital. They are called to be as OPDs, outpatient department. They mainly come with minor ailments, not the major category. They come with minor illness. There the patients, they go to the outpatient department. If the physician feels that the patient need admission as inpatient in the ward, then they get letter to get admitted to the hospitals for outpatients. Now we have seen there are the systems involved in dispensing of medications to the inpatients. Okay, various systems we have seen. We have seen various systems. I have given the name abbreviation for that. Systems involved in dispensing of medications for inpatients. IFUC. So we have seen and we have defined. I stands for individual prescription order system. F stands for the floor stock system. It includes the free floor stock system as well as a charge floor stock system and non-charge. And U stands for the unit dose dispensing systems. Isn't it? And last one, the C category, which stands for the controlled, the centralized, isn't it? Combination of the unit as well as the combination of prescribed as well as the stock systems, the individual and flow stock systems. So we have seen that one in a great detail and we have defined and described all those things, and later on we move to the emergency drugs. It is divided into three categories: emergency, tertiary as well as the primary care. Then we have seen the emergency drugs, how the emergency drugs, it becomes very useful in case of emergency situations or conditions. We have described that. What is bedside pharmacy? We have described. Later on, we move to the outpatient department, the outpatient system, OPD, not occupying beds, I told you. Lastly, we have covered the satellite pharmacy services. They are nothing but sub-pharmacies, which are under the main pharmacy. Probably they may be located at the nursing stations. They provide the fundamental, they are just taking care of the patient. They take the care of the patients at around the clock. They should be available around the clock. So from main pharmacy, that can reach the satellite pharmacy, providing services to the inpatients. That completes and concludes the drug distribution system. Thank you.